I've been waiting on you.
Here's the Chinese manufacturer's mid-range device for the first quarter of 2020. For its sub-14,000 price segment, owners of the Huawei Nova 7i will be introduced to Emotion UI 10, built on top of the Android open source project, which still technically means that it is an Android phone, compatible with the majority of Android applications through Huawei's own app gallery from the Huawei mobile services. The best advantage of this device is its beefy 4200 mAh large capacity battery with 40 watts supercharge. It is fully charged in under an hour and can power through an entire day with ease.
I've been waiting on you.